Hello, DV besties! Justi and I are here together, and we are on our way to Pinterest conference called Pinners in Salt Lake City. So come along with us for a day of shopping, sewing. What else are we gonna do?
We're crafting.
Painting, crafting of all kinds. We are here with our daughters, so you may sneak a peek of them. And yeah, come with us for a day of fun. We're going in. Look how huge it is, first of all. It goes all the way down there. And when we get inside, we'll show you how big it is inside too, because it is crazy. Justi, any words?
There's a lot of people.
There's a lot of people. And we are 4 of them. Away we go. Okay, a moment for the jackets, because Justi made us matching jackets. It should be said that this is made with our DTF at design bundles at dtfprinter.com. So if you love the quality, which you should because it's amazing, you can get it there. Okay, now a moment for the jackets. So it says, life is short, buy the bundle, DTF printer. So this is the expo floor. It is huge. It goes all the way down there, and then it goes all the way down there. Absolutely massive. There are so many people here. We're gonna start making our way around. Justi is checking out a sweatshirt that I feel that I need. We're gonna work our way around the expo floor first, and then maybe get a snack, and then we're gonna take a sewing class later and maybe do some crafting. So maybe we'll run into some of you. Justi! Hi.
Why did we pick this bag?
Okay, tell us what you got.
It has Karomi and My Melody, My Sweet Little Lamb, I think.
That's so cute. Do you want me to hold it once you get it out of there?
You can study your Mandarin.
It's cute. Love it.
We do.
We found some of our Design Bundles designs in the wild at this magnetic tile frames. We're trying to decide if this is DTF or sublimated. What do you think, Justi? DTF or sublimation? It's sublimated. Sublimated. And so cute though. We have joined the make and take table. We're gonna do punch needling. Sarah, show us which one you picked out. A star. A star is born.
We have a flower, of course.
So tell everyone what we're doing.
We're doing punch needling, which I've never done before, so I have no idea if we'll be good at it.
We'll be great at it. We're crafters.
We'll figure it out.
I picked this one, citrus. We're about to learn how to do this, and then we're gonna punch needle to our heart's content. Well, Justi's just diving right in. I guess we're not learning how to do it first. We don't want to, okay, so shove it down in.
Shove it down in, and then you're going to take the end of the thread. You're just threading it. It just sounds more complicated than that. So now take your yarn. Oh, let's see. You start with the yellow.
Do we need to take the little band off of our thread?
Yeah, take the band off the thread. You don't want the thread or yarn to get caught on anything, so we want to keep it nice and flowy. So just stick it through there. You pull it through. There's one more step, so then you take this. So just put the yarn through that and then pull it through. And then the next step is there's this little eye on the back.
I just messed up and undid a bunch.
I'm on the second color.
Oh, this is gonna be tough. Sometimes I feel like with a craft, you just have to have like the right environment for it. Because like I have tried punch needling before, and I was like ready to yeet it.
I can't get mine to like be all even and cute like that.
What do you mean?
I mean, like she's got a perfect circle, but mine, like I keep running into the corner of this thing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Finished mine. She's cute. Apparently this is supposed to be the front, but we're not gonna talk about that. This is the front now. Let's look at Justi's.
So I'm almost done, but I'm just filling it's my back.
The hair.
This is where Laura, being a perfectionist, was the reason that hers looks so good on one side and then it looks okay on the other.
It's cute. And Sarah is off to the races on hers. Show them the other side. I think the other side of yours looks so good. Woo! You know, these can make good little coasters, little mug rugs. Me and Justi's little mug rugs. Done. My little tangerine and her little daisy. So cute. Okay, the big reveal. Let's see it.
This one is not the real side.
Oh no, yeah, you're right. Love it. It's beautiful. Okay, we are at Pinterest conference, but we had to take a break to talk to you about something very important. So this is a break from our Pinners scheduled programming to tell you about the Black Friday DTF Ultimate Starter Project Box. And here to tell you about it today is Justi.
I'm really loving the
This is the
invisible
microphone.
microphone. It's beautiful, and I want one.
Hold on, let's get it together. Okay,
So the DTF Ultimate Starter Project Box is going to be a box that someone is staring at us. I can't do this. We have to go out there.
you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we have to tell you about the Ultimate Starter Project Box because it is the perfect Christmas gift. And honestly, this has gotten me in the Christmas spirit. Has this gotten you in the Christmas spirit? There's Christmas everywhere. In fact, look. Christmas booths, Christmas things. So much Christmas. So if you're doing your holiday shopping for yourself and for your loved ones, you really need the Ultimate Starter Project Box because inside, well, first of all, it's $2.99, which is incredible. And inside the box is everything you need to make over 60 crafting projects this holiday season. So it includes all the DTF you need, all the UV DTF you need, and all the blanks to go with it to make over 60 projects. So you could give it as a massive gift to someone you love a lot. You could buy one for yourself and buy one for a loved one that you love a lot. Or you could just get one for yourself and have projects for the entire year of 2026. Or you could buy a box and split it up amongst like 10 to 15 people that you love and still have enough projects to do stuff for the entire year of 2026. Did I miss
It
anything?
makes great gifts, and if you're looking for something for your wife who likes to craft, this is the box because it's the starter box. It's going to give them everything that they need, except for a heat press, but you can use an iron.
Yeah, we've actually been laughing about that as we walk around because all the men here with the shopping bags for their wives, they could have just saved themselves the hassle and bought the DTF Starter Project Box and they would have been good to go. So, did we miss anything? Is there anything else we need to say about it?
Get it while it lasts because we only have a certain number, and once it's gone, it's gone. It's not one of those we can make more of. So.
Once it's gone, it goes away. So, snag you one. Silhouette booth. DTF spotted in the wild. We saw the DTF. What are you getting? What did you order?
A kitty.
A kitty what?
A kid. A kid.
Oh, what do you say? Whoa! Okay, you can have a bite now. So that was the Pinners Conference. So much fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting content. And also, don't forget to snap up one of our Ultimate DTF Starter Project boxes this Black Friday. Whether you craft or know someone who does, the Ultimate DTF Starter Project box contains everything needed to create over 60 crafting projects. Don't miss out.